Have you ever wondered if you're editing a photo the right way? I know I used to wonder that. It took me a while to get the right workflow down for editing my pictures. That's why I'm so excited to share a brand new course with you, 10 steps to make any photo amazing. This course is 100% free, and I know you're going to love it. This course brings photo editing back to the basics, but as you can see, the basics can bring amazing results. Photo editing doesn't need to be rocket science. If you learn just a few simple things, then you'll be ready to bring any photo to life. Whether you're taking photos of people, animals, or landscapes, these techniques will make your pictures look their best. It's easy to get overwhelmed while editing in Affinity, but I promise if you just take 1 hour to watch this course, you'll feel so much more confident in editing your photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the course.